If you need to find the towing points on your Jeep Renegade, then check out this video. Hello guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video and welcome to another video on my 2015 Jeep Renegade. Now if you've been caught out and the car's either broken down or got stuck, you may need to access your towing points on the car. And there is two. There's one found on the rear of the car and one found on the front of the car, and I'm going to show you them both in a second. But you do need to use some tools to get to them and also screw in the towing eye. So to do this, we're going to go to our standard toolkit, which is found inside the boot, and obviously it's found underneath this hatch here, which I'm just going to take off and put that down because it'll be easier for the video. And then over to the right hand side, we've got our standard toolkit found here. So we're just going to go ahead, undo that Velcro strap and get out the toolkit. So I'm just going to place this onto the floor and open up the zip. And once we've got our toolkit open, we're just going to go ahead and get this screwdriver out. And we're going to make sure it's got the flat end and not the Phillips end. If you need to swap it out, you just give it a pull and then swap it round. So the other thing we're going to need is this here, which is actually our towing eye. So like I said, there is 2 points on the car, one on the rear and one on the front. Now, I will say that this is the limited model and the Trailhawk does have a permanent tow point, which I believe is found over that side of the car. But for all other models, it's over the right-hand side of the car from looking from the back. And we've got, if you notice on this grille, one half of it is actually a bit wobbly and you can actually remove that. So this is where we're going to use our screwdriver, just pop it in and get that out. Now it is tethered to the car, so it shouldn't fall away. Then what we're going to do is we're going to get our tow point into that hole. We're going to turn it all the way around till you can't turn it anymore. And then we're going to get something like a hand of our screwdriver and we're just going to turn that as much as we can to make sure it's nice and tight. So there you go, that's pretty much locked solid. Now you do only get one towing eye, so you will need this same one for the front of the car, but obviously you won't be towing and being towed at the same time. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this back out so I can show you the one on the front of the car. And now the one found at the front of the car. So it is fairly obvious on the bumper. It's just over the left hand side when looking from the front of the car, and it's behind this plastic cap here. So much like the rear, we're just going to pop our screwdriver in and take that off. And like I say, this one is tethered the same as the rear. We're just going to go ahead, get that towing eye again, and of course screw that straight in like that. Doing the same with the screwdriver handle just to make sure it's nice and tight. That is our front towing hook. So there you go, I'm going to go ahead and take that straight out now and put it back in the toolkit and put that back in the boot just in case I ever need it. But if you found that video helpful, please do go ahead and give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.